Ever wondered how to create high-quality videos that leave your viewers in awe? Welcome to this course summary on Lights, Camera, Quality, Mastering Video Production. This course is your ultimate guide in transforming your video production skills. Whether you are just starting your journey or aiming to elevate your content creation game to a professional level, in the next few minutes, we'll give you a bird's-eye view of the wealth of knowledge you can gain from this comprehensive course. We'll journey through the core modules of the course, each designed to equip you with the necessary tools and techniques to produce stunning videos that captivate your audience. In the first module, we delve into the heart of video production. The gear essentials. From cameras and lenses to tripods, we'll discuss how the right equipment can be a game changer in your video production journey. Next, we'll shine a light on the art of lighting. Module 2 focuses on how to use lighting to add depth, create mood, and ultimately bring your videos to life. You'll learn tips and tricks to create a well-lit, visually appealing scene that keeps your viewers hooked. Sound is just as crucial as visuals in video production, and that's what Module 3 is all about. We'll explore the world of audio equipment and recording techniques to ensure your videos not only look good, but sound great as well. Module 4 sets the stage, literally. Here, we'll guide you through set design and background choices, sharing insights on creating visually pleasing and context-appropriate settings. Finally, in Module 5, we dive into filming techniques. From camera angles and movement to framing for storytelling, we'll explore strategies for achieving that professional-level filming touch. Each module of this course is a step towards mastering the art and science of video production. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The full course offers a deep dive into each topic, providing you with the knowledge and skills to create high-quality videos that stand out. Ready to dive into the world of professional video production? Stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about the gear. Without the right tools, even the best ideas can fall flat. And when it comes to video production, it's all about having the right gear in your toolkit. Now, what do we mean by the right gear? Let's dive into that. Starting with the heart of our setup, the camera. This magical device that captures light and transforms it into images is your best friend on this journey. It's not just about getting the most expensive camera out there, it's about understanding your needs and getting a camera that suits them. Are you filming a documentary? A DSLR might be your go-to. Shooting a cinematic masterpiece? Maybe you're looking at a high-end cinema camera. Next up, we have lenses. These are the eyes through which your camera sees the world. A wide-angle lens can capture a large scene, perfect for establishing shots or landscapes. A telephoto lens, on the other hand, is great for close-ups and capturing details from a distance. And let's not forget about prime lenses, known for their sharpness and beautiful bokeh effects. The right lens can dramatically enhance your storytelling capabilities. Now let's talk about stability. Ever watched a video that made you dizzy because the camera was shaking too much? That's where tripods come in. A sturdy tripod can ensure your shots are smooth and stable. Whether you're capturing a serene sunset or filming an intense dialogue scene, a tripod is a must-have in your gear arsenal. But wait, there's more. While cameras, lenses, and tripods are the backbone of your setup, there are other pieces of equipment that can elevate your production quality. Think about lighting equipment, microphones, external monitors, and even drones for those breathtaking aerial shots. Each piece of gear has its role to play, and understanding how they work together is key. It's like a symphony orchestra. Each instrument contributes to the overall performance, but it's the conductor who brings them all together to create a harmonious melody. In this case, you are the conductor, and your gear is your orchestra. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot of stuff to carry around. And you're right. But remember, every professional was once a beginner. Start small, learn the basics, and gradually build your gear collection as you grow. It's also worth noting that gear alone won't make you a great filmmaker. It's a tool that helps you bring your vision to life. The real magic lies in your creativity, your storytelling skills, and your passion for the craft. To sum up, investing in the right gear can significantly enhance your video production quality. It's about understanding what each piece of equipment can do and how you can use it to tell your story. Remember, the right gear is your first step towards creating stunning videos. Now that we have our gear sorted, it's time to shed some light on our scene, literally. Lighting is an essential ingredient in the recipe for high-quality video production. It's not just about making sure everything is visible. It's about setting the mood, directing the viewer's attention, and enhancing the overall visual appeal of your scene. It's often said that in the world of video, light is like paint for a painter. You have the power to create a masterpiece or a mess, depending on how you use it. Let's dive into the key lessons from our second module, which focuses on lighting techniques. These tips and tricks will help you illuminate your scenes effectively and create visually appealing videos that resonate with your viewers. Firstly, understanding the three-point lighting setup is crucial. This setup involves three types of lights: the key light, fill light, and backlight. The key light is your main source of illumination, typically placed at a 45-degree angle from your subject. The fill light counteracts the shadows cast by the key light, while the backlight separates your subject from the background, adding depth and dimension to your scene. Next, let's discuss color temperature. Different light sources emit different colors, measured in Kelvin. Daylight is around 5,600 Kelvin and has a cool bluish hue, while tungsten light, like your typical indoor lamp, is around 3,200 Kelvin and emits a warmer yellowish glow. By understanding color temperature and how to balance it, you can avoid unnatural-looking skin tones and create a more visually pleasing image. Also, remember that less can sometimes be more when it comes to lighting. Overlighting can wash out your scene, removing shadows and flattening your image. Experiment with shadows to add drama and intrigue to your videos. Play with hard and soft light and see how they affect the mood of your scene. Lastly, don't forget about practical lights. These are light sources that are visible within the scene itself, like a lamp on a desk or a candle in a romantic dinner scene. Practical lights can add realism, depth, and interest to your scene, enhancing the overall visual appeal. So whether you're filming a high-energy vlog or a moody short film, the right lighting can make all the difference. It's worth investing the time to learn and experiment with different lighting techniques to create a well-lit and visually appealing scene. Remember, lighting isn't just a technical aspect of video production. It's a tool for storytelling. It can highlight important details, set the mood, and guide your viewer's eyes across the screen. It's your paintbrush, allowing you to create the visual masterpiece that is your video. With the right lighting, your videos will truly shine. Lights and camera in place. But what about this sound? Let's tune into audio excellence. In our journey to mastering video production, we've now arrived at a crucial component. It's something that often doesn't get the spotlight it deserves, but without it, our videos would feel incomplete. It's the magic of sound, the invisible thread that ties our visuals together and gives them depth and emotion. In the world of film, there's a saying that goes, "People will forgive bad video, but they won't forgive bad audio." It's a testament to the importance of sound in our viewing experience. Video might capture our attention, but it's the audio that truly immerses us in the story. Let's start with the basics. The microphone is your primary tool for capturing sound, but not all mics are created equal. There's a wide array of microphones available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. You have your shotgun mics, lapel mics, condenser mics, dynamic mics, and many others. Choosing the right one depends on your recording environment and the type of sound you're aiming to capture. But having a good microphone is just half the battle. You also need to know how to use it effectively. This is where recording techniques come into play. For instance, you want to position your mic as close as possible to the sound source without it being in the shot. This helps capture clear and crisp audio while minimizing background noise. And speaking of noise, it's essential to be mindful of your recording environment. It's not just about avoiding loud, disruptive sounds. Even subtle noises, like the hum of an air conditioner or the rustle of leaves, can be picked up by your mic and detract from your audio quality. Once you've got your raw audio, it's time for some fine-tuning. This is where audio editing software comes into the picture. With the right tools, you can clean up your audio, remove unwanted noise, and even enhance certain elements of your sound. It's like the post-production phase for your audio, allowing you to polish and perfect your sound before it hits the ears of your audience. But let's not forget about the power of music and sound effects. They're the finishing touches that can elevate your video from good to great. A well-placed piece of music can stir emotions and set the mood, while the right sound effect can add realism and depth to your scenes. In the end, it all comes down to balance. You want your audio to complement your visuals, not overpower them. It's about creating a harmonious blend of sight and sound that captivates your audience and immerses them in your story. So, as you venture into the world of video production, remember to give audio the attention it deserves. Invest in good equipment, hone your recording techniques, and always strive for clear, high-quality sound. Remember, audio is half the experience. Don't let it be an afterthought. We've barely scratched the surface of what this course has to offer. Are you ready to dive deeper? This course summary has given you a taste of the breadth and depth of knowledge that Lights, Camera, Quality, Mastering Video Production provides. We've journeyed through the essences of gear essentials, lighting for impact, audio excellence, setting the stage, and filming techniques. Each module is a world in itself, with a wealth of information designed to empower you to create high-quality videos. Consider the gear essentials we discussed. It's not just about having a camera, lens, and tripod. It's about knowing how to choose the right ones and how to use them effectively. And lighting. It's not just about brightness and darkness. It's about mood, emphasis, and visual storytelling. Similarly, audio isn't just about being audible. It's about clarity, quality, and sometimes it's about silence. Setting the stage is more than just a pretty background. It's about creating an environment that enhances your narrative and connects with your audience. And filming techniques, they are the essence of your storytelling, the brush strokes in your masterpiece. Each of these modules holds a universe of knowledge waiting for you to explore. Enroll in the full course to dive deep into each topic, to learn, to practice, and to master the art and science of video production. Join us in Lights, Camera, Quality, Mastering Video Production to turn your video production dreams into reality. That's it for this course summary. We hope you found it enlightening. We've walked you through the essentials, from gear to lighting, audio to staging, and even some filming techniques. Remember, the right setup can elevate your content to new heights. If you enjoyed this summary and want to dive deeper, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the knowledge. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep creating.